Hi, crafting friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a basic swag. These are just amazing and one of my favorite projects so far because once you learn to make the basic swag, you can use them in countless ways. Your imagination is your only limitation. These can be used in easels with decorative plates. They can be used to hang on doors or windows. They can be used on your countertop. So many different beautiful ways to accent and decorate them. I want to offer a grateful shout out to Shannon with the Daily DIYer. It is from her channel that I learned so many different ways to use the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. This is what you need to make the swags. 2 of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, some embellishments such as cotton or berries or pine cones. You'll want some ribbon. You'll want a little bit of the Waverly white chalk paint to add snow. Now, these are the Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. They're just $1.25 a box, and you'll need 2. You'll see when you pull them out of the box that they're squished together. So the first thing you want to do is remove the little plastic stand at the base. Then you'll want to lay them on your counter and fluff them up. Once they're all fluffed up, you attach them end to end, metal end to metal end. I overlap them. I then wrap the 2 ends with floral wire. That will hold them together sufficiently to then run a nice bead of hot glue along the seam. That will give you a solid bond for the 2 sections to connect. To cover up the unsightly metal portion that you now have hot glued, you have your bow and ribbons. Here you'll see I've added pine cones and red berries and also brushed the tips with the Waverly chalk paint to create the look of snow. I just used a dry brush technique, so it is just a very subtle snow application. Here's the white Waverly chalk paint, and I use a sponge brush. On this swag, I added a big puffy velvet red bow and one of the bells from the Dollar Tree. The bell was $1.25, and I think it's just such a festive attachment. Here, I've put the swag on a little metal easel from Dollar Tree, and I've propped in a pretty reindeer plate. Here, I've added a snowman, creating a whole different whimsical look. I've also adorned the swag with some blue and silver balls that add a sparkle and tie the color theme together. Here, I have a plate that has Christmas trees, just 4 green forest trees. You'll see I've left the same ribbon and the blue and silver balls. In the next picture, though, you'll see I did remove the blue balls, leaving only the silver ones, and I think I like that one a little bit better. These plates were a real find. I went into the Goodwill store, and they had stacks and stacks of beautiful Christmas plates for very reasonable prices, anywhere from 75 cents to $2.50. And each one creates a unique charm for the swags. Here, the really sweet gingerbread people are accented with my swag that I added in some candy canes as well as some little wooden cutout gingerbread men. I got those in a package at the Dollar Tree. Here, to continue the gingerbread theme, I've added a little wooden gingerbread house, also from Dollar Tree. It's one of their crafting items, and I plan to decorate it. I think it would be so cute with some puffy paint creating snow and a whimsical gingerbread theme. Here are forest animals around a Christmas tree. To accent the swag, I added some gold stars, also from Dollar Tree. They came in a package, and they have little glue dots on the back. You can also use the swags in more traditional ways. Here I have it hanging on the back of a French door. It's so pretty here as well on the back of the wooden door or the glass French door panes. You can also put them on windows. There are just endless ways to decorate with these swags. I hope you enjoy the project. I would love for you to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.